ASTRO is a fully open source robot you can build yourself. Today, we'll be walking through how you can start building your own ASTRO from scratch, from buying to building to automating. It all starts on our website, robotsmadesimple.com, where you'll find all of the resources you'll need. The buy section has the parts list for all of the off the shelf parts and all of the 3D printed parts with images and quantities. The off the shelf parts can be bought directly from Amazon, eBay, or AliExpress, and the 3D printed parts can be printed yourself by downloading the print files that can be found here. The build section has step by step instructions for preparing parts, which shows what parts need to be threaded, drilled, and how to extend the motor and sensor cables. Assembling the robot is broken down into sections, where each section has detailed step by step instructions for how to put together every plate, bolt, motor, how to mount assemblies together, route and tension the belts, and how to lay out the cables on the back of the robot. Assembling the controller also has the same step by step instructions. The wiring guide covers wiring in the motor drivers, homing sensors, and hooking up power to all the components. Automating your robot. This section has a bolt template for mounting down your robot, a reminder to connect the robot to the controller, instructions for how to install the core robot software called the Simple Robot Controller, which is the fully open source software that controls your robot. It is installed on your own Windows or Linux computer, and once it's running on your computer, connect your computer to the controller, and that's it. Everything else is done directly in the Simple Robot app. The Simple Robot app is the fully open source software that gives you the interface to control the robot. The Simple Robot app can be installed on an Android device or a Windows computer. With the robot now set up, the next step is to start teaching points and creating programs. Watch our video on Your First Program to learn all about using the app and creating your first program. ASTRO is a robot I've been working on for the past 7 years. It's gone through several different designs, robots, and software iterations to get to what you see here today. If you want to build your own, the part list, build instructions, and all the software you'll need to get it running is available completely free on our website, robotsmadesimple.com. And if building it from scratch just isn't your thing, we're also planning on selling part kits and pre-built robots in the future, so stay tuned for that. If you want to follow along with what I'm working on next, come join the Robots Made Simple Discord, where I share build updates and upcoming projects and behind the scenes stuff before anywhere else.